Most people think $100 a month is too small to matter. They're wrong, and I'm going to prove it with actual numbers. Let's say you start today, just $100 every month. No extra, no lump sum, just $100 consistent. No financial background needed, no large salary needed, just this one habit. Here's exactly what happens. After month 1, you have $100 in the market. It might go up, it might go down, doesn't matter net. After 12 months, you've put in $1,200. With a 10% annual return, the S&P 500's historical average, your portfolio sits at around $1,257. That's only $57 in gains. I know, feels pointless. Keep watching because this is where most people make the mistake of stopping. Year 2, $2,400 invested, portfolio around $2,650. Year 3, $3,600 in, portfolio around $4,100. Year 5, $6,000 in, portfolio around $7,700. You've made $1,700 doing nothing just by staying consistent. Year 10, $12,000 invested, portfolio around $20,400. Let that sink in. You put in $12,000, the market gave you $8,400 on top of that, for free while you were sleeping, working, living your life. Now, here's where it gets uncomfortable. 2 people, same income, same $100 a month. Person A starts at 25, invests for 30 years until 55. Total invested, $36,000. Final portfolio around $226,000. Person B waits, starts at 35. Same habit, same returns. Total invested, $24,000. Final portfolio around $76,000. Person A ends up with $150,000 more, not because they were smarter, not because they earned more, just because they started 10 years earlier. That $150,000 gap, that's the cost of waiting, and most people are paying it right now without realizing it. Now, the question everyone asks, where do I actually put this money? 3 steps, simple. Step 1, pick a platform. Grow, Zerodha, Coin, whichever works for you. Account setup takes less than 10 minutes. You need your PAN card and bank details. That's it. Step 2, choose an index fund. Nifty 50 index fund or S&P 500 if you want US exposure. Don't overthink this. Index funds beat most professional fund managers over the long term. You're not trying to be clever, you're trying to be consistent. Step 3, set up an SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. You automate the $100 every month so it leaves your account before you can spend it. Set it and forget it. This is the most important step because it removes your emotions from the equation completely. Now, let me tell you the 3 mistakes that kill this entire strategy. Mistake 1, checking your portfolio every day. When the market drops, and it will drop, you'll panic. You'll want to pull out. That's the worst thing you can do. The people who lose money in the market are almost never the ones who invested too early. They're the ones who pulled out when it got scary and locked in their losses. Mistake 2, waiting for the right time. There is no right time. The market will always feel uncertain. There will always be a reason to wait. Every year you wait costs you compounding you can never get back. Mistake 3, starting with too much and burning out. $100 is the point. It's small enough that losing it for a month doesn't hurt, but it's enough to build the habit. Once investing is part of your identity, once it's just something you do, scaling up to $200, $500, $1,000 happens naturally. Let me give you the real number that should motivate you. If you invest $100 a month from age 25 to 60, 35 years, at 10% average returns, you end up with around $379,000. Your total contribution? $42,000. The market added $337,000 on top of that. You did the work once, set up the account, automated the transfer, stayed consistent. The rest was math working in your favor for 35 years. $100 a month won't make you rich overnight, but in 10 years, you'll look back and realize the best financial decision you ever made cost you less than one dinner out every week. The link to get started is in the description. Platform, index fund recommendation, everything. One account, one automation, $100. Start today.